Okay, so when we get into the course, you must have, click from the mail, activity design with PhET simulation. So you click join group, right? It takes you here, all right? Now, some students have complained about this. Your computers, just close it. It's time zone and all that. Just close it. You don't, doesn't affect you. So you can see here for this activity design, you have like three things to cover. Okay, you have like three things to cover for this activity. So we are in the first one, which is the week one. So it says here, introduction, read the welcome lesson where to decide whether to complete module 2, that is science and activity design, or module 3, which is math design. So either you have to do a science or math. So it depends on which subject you teach. Some I've seen some messages on the group saying I do computer studies. Computer studies is better to do a math design. Okay, but if you do physics, biology, chemistry, is definitely a science activity design. So it says some successful completion of this course only requires you to walk through science or math module. So only you can choose between the two. Okay, so get started here. Get started. So you read this, all right? So here it's just simply talking about selecting your model. Okay, so are you doing module 2 or module 3? Okay, so here just quickly introduce PhET once again. So you can quickly please go through this and then click as marked. Then to pick if it's a science module or a math module, you go back here. All right, you click here. Then if you're going for your science, it will be you come here, click week 2. Okay, so let me quickly take you through this whole section, explain it, then we'll enter it. Okay, now this is for sciences, this is for physics, chemistry, and biology. All right, so here you can read through all this. All right, now it comes to sample activities. When you enter into the sample activities, you see that you have sample activities for physics, biology, and what chemistry. So you choose which one you want. You don't necessarily do everything. If you want to do everything, fine. But if you're a physics person, choose the physics topic. Okay, for example, let me go in here. Okay, you can see here this is for physics, this is for biology, this is for this. You say, do you see what I mean? If you read here, it says here we shared activities in different areas of science, physics, biology, and chemistry. Choose the one that suits you best. Okay, so please, I see a lot of questions. Just read. There are instructions that would guide you. Just read through them. Let's be patient and read through them. Okay, I know we are quite busy and this is taking time, but just be patient and read them. You don't need to read everything. Just choose whichever topic, subject you are an expert in. Okay, so here. So once if it's physics you choose, okay, you come here to color vision, right? To play with it. If it was biology, you come here. If it was chemistry, you come here. Okay? Then here, activity sheets, you can see this is for everyone. Student activity sheet. So you get in here and you pick this the activity sheet for physics, biology, chemistry. So you go through it. It says now that you have done the pre-lab, engage. Let's try select the most relevant activity from the list. That's the one you have picked. Okay? So where are we? Okay, so here. All right, so reflecting on this. Now everyone has to go into lesson structure. When you enter into it, you would see the one that suits you, either physics, chemistry, or what maths. All right, designing activity sheet. Also going here, there's a video here, activity sheet design guides, importance of pre-lab activities. You have to go through it. Now, you can see here, this is for physics, this is for biology, and this is for what? Chemistry, pre-lab and student worksheet. So you pick which subject, whichever subject you want. Let's say it is physics. So everything here, I would go through it. All right, I would go through it. If I'm a physics teacher, I would go through this. All right. When I'm done, we come into challenge prompts. Challenge prompts, you know, this is for everyone, explains what challenge prompts are. You read through it, then you focus on which subjects. Physics, these are sample challenge prompts, okay, which you can practice under physics. So you have all this, you go through all this. Okay, if it's with biology, this is where you enter. So not necessarily everything. So when you see everything, you don't need to be encumbered with, oh, this is everything. No, just focus on your subject. Okay, so these are more challenge prompt exercises. Everyone need to do this. You also need to do this, everyone. Then do this. Then your um as the assignment, okay, where you would now pick, okay, follow the instructions, download this, then work on it. Everything is here. Everything you need to follow through, your review criteria, everything is here. You should follow all this so you can get your pass mark. All right. When you do that, definitely I have explained how to submit. This is the sample template that you download on your system or on your phone, which you use to create the activity sheet. Then your submission is here. You know, let me just do this quickly. Yes, I understand. Okay, submission, give your title of the project, then upload your file. I understood. Okay, and submit. After submitting, it doesn't end there. After submitting, this is where people always miss. You don't stop there. After submitting, you have to what? Review your peers. Three people. You have to go in there and review three people. Okay? And you are done with this activity. That's it. Okay? Straightforward. That's it. Okay? You submit, you are done, and you'll get your certificate. All right. So this is how you go through the activity design with PhET simulation. Just, read the instructions, just follow through the instructions, and everything will be smooth for you. Okay? Any other further questions um, on the group you can ask. Thank you.